Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix for when you can't find the recovery environment on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So we want to go on down to search and type in CMD, then right click on it, and then go to run as administrator. If you don't run this as administrator, you won't be able to access this. So go to it and go to yes. And then we want to type in reagentc space /enable, just like this. So reagentc space /enable, press enter, and it says the operation is successful. So go ahead and try to factory reset your computer now, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.